You're going to want to see this beautiful single-story floor plan here in Cadence, Henderson. Today, we are going to be touring the Bolton Plan too, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so today is June 18, 2025, and today we're here at Ambridge by Woodside Homes here in Cadence, Henderson. Now, if you're not familiar with Cadence, Henderson, we're about 25 to 30 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Cadence is the most affordable master plan community in all of Las Vegas. Great amenities for the HOA of $75 or $80 a month. You're gonna have walking trails, you're gonna have parks, you're gonna have splash pads. We have an Olympic-sized swimming pool, and it's great for families, great for kids, a lot of fun here. I will have the floor plans on the screen for this community. Now, this is a single-story community, okay, that offers 4 different floor plans, all ranging from about 1,597 square feet all the way up to 2,192 square feet. The base prices are gonna range from about $481, $490, all the way up to about $541, $490. Now, guys, whenever you look at the base price, just so you know, that does not include the lot premium and the upgrades, okay? So lot premiums at this community, they're gonna range from about $10,000 to $35,000. Now the upgrades, it really just depends buyer to buyer, but usually buyers are putting in about 10 to 15% of the base price in upgrades. Now, the way they have it set up here, you can build from ground up. They also do have some spec homes. Now, spec homes are homes that the builders already started construction. They picked out all the options, and these homes are gonna be ready in about 2 to 3 months. Now, the benefits of a spec home, most likely you will get a better deal, especially if it's available, if it's a move-in ready, or if it's ready in about like one month, okay? So sooner the better. Some information for you guys here. So again, the HOA here is $75 a month. This community is gonna have 58 homes. Now, this community also just opened up last month, okay? So it's a fairly new community, but it's not too big. The average lot square footage, you're looking at about 5,700. There's gonna be 3 or 4 or 5 lots that are gonna be about 10,000 lot square footage, 10,000 and 11,000. No, that's about it, guys. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Bolton floor plan. Now, the Bolton floor plan is 1,834 square feet, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 to 2.5 baths, and the base price as of today is $496, $490. Now, guys, if you are building from ground up, you do have the option to choose between 4 different elevations, and depending on which elevation you could choose from, you know, you'll have a different base price, okay? But they offer the Scandinavian, Craftsman, Desert Contemporary, and the Prairie, all right? Now, those base prices are gonna range from about $496 to $504, okay? Now, guys, paver driveway is included, desert landscaping is included as well. Okay, now the backyard is going to be dirt lot, so that's something you do have to landscape. The HOA will give you about 6 months to a year to landscape the backyard. Now the garage, as far as the garage is concerned, you're going to have a finished garage, meaning that the walls will be painted. You'll have a water softener loop, a tankless water heater, a water filter. Also, the garage depth is 22 feet deep. Woodside is one of the only builders that allows you to upgrade the garage depth to 24 feet if you like, okay? So, you know, for those of you that have, you know, like pickup trucks, you want a longer garage, well then, you know, you could definitely take advantage of that. Now head into the entry door right here. So welcome in. So you have nice 10-foot ceilings, which are standard. So I know for some floor plans, there's some section of the home, which is usually the living room, dining room, kitchen area, you could upgrade it to the 12-foot ceilings. Okay, so we'll start with over here. Now to the left, you're gonna have your first bedroom. All right, so welcome to bedroom 1. This is gonna be a full-size bed right here. You have 2 windows. Okay, you got your closet over there. Okay, now if you're going for a quick move in homes, they're all gonna have that pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Now, one thing I could really appreciate about the Woodside Homes is you're gonna have eggshell finish for paint all throughout the house, okay? So yeah, a lot of times with builders, they're gonna have flat paint. Flat paint, it gets dirty really easily, even if you just like touch it like that. This finish, eggshell, easier to clean, doesn't get as dirty, so that's great. Okay, so this is gonna be your full bath. You do have your single sink, your toilet, your shower tub combo. Okay, so we've got some optional backsplash right there. And cabinets, looks like the browns are coming back in. Optional quartz, optional faucet as well. And then you'll have space for your linens right here. Okay, and then you got your coat closet. Now to the left, you're gonna have your flex room. Okay, so the flex room has a little storage unit. Walk-in closet over there. Couple of different structural upgrades that you can do, similar to the models I just toured previously. You can upgrade this. You can upgrade this to a 3rd bedroom. Okay, now also too, one more upgrade that you can do is it's called the Home Plus Suite upgrade. So it's kind of like a next gen, but kind of not. The way it would work here for the home gen is your door would be right about here. Now as soon as you enter the door and you walk inside, you would have like this separate living room area that you could have a refrigerator, a microwave, and all of that. And then once you're inside the door, this would actually be a bedroom, okay? With and you'd have your own full bath. So it's like a separate living space inside of the house. Great if you live with in-laws, if you live with other families, extended families, or if you're looking for a unit to rent out, well, they would definitely appreciate having that upgrade. Okay, right over here, you're gonna have your door to your garage. Okay, so it is locked. Oh, actually, yeah, it's locked. You also have your laundry room here as well. Now the washer and dryer is not included. Okay, so it looks like we have some cabinets. I believe that is optional, but I just have to double check. Let me know in the or just reach out to me. I mean, if you're curious to know. Actually, you know what? Here, let's check out this walk-in closet space. Okay, so pretty decent size. Now this is kind of like a random storage unit that they have in this floor plan. This is standard. So, or you can make this, the upgrade is to like some type of small office. I'm not too sure exactly how that looks, but then you could also have this into a powder room as well. Okay, that would be an upgrade. All right, so welcome to the main living area. So dining room, kitchen, living room. Okay, oh, looks like they went with a stacked cabinet option. A lot of buyers like that as well. Cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Okay. Now, refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included, but you will have the oven, the microwave, the dishwasher. Those are the appliances that will be included. These cabinets right here, 42-inch cabinets, that is optional. Normally they come down to right about here, 36 inches. But yeah, these stacked cabinets are definitely optional as well. This is an optional double oven here. Okay. Yeah, everything that you're seeing here is upgraded with this type of quartz, this type of sink, as well as the matte black faucet. Okay, nice backsplash. My favorite backsplash is always the continuation of the countertop, but it's also the most expensive to do as well, because they have to, you know, they have to buy another slab, and those are pretty pricey. So here's the pantry. Okay, so a little bit of a walk-in pantry. Now, one structural upgrade that you can do as well is, I believe these sliders are included, but this one is just going to be windows. So if you want to add another slider here, that's another structural upgrade you can do. But yeah, anytime that you have this this covered patio will be included. The paver driveway, the pavers underneath the covered patio will be included as well. It's when you start to get over here that when you move in, this is just going to be a dirt lot and you could landscape it. Okay, you also have barbecue stub, hose bib. Sounds like the condenser is going to be over here. Now guys, if you're watching this video and you're thinking about visiting a new community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you and help you out with the process. If you have a realtor, that's okay too. Make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, builder agent's gonna ask for your name, phone number, and email. They're gonna register you in the system with no representation. Now, the big problem with that is the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So, make sure you definitely get representation. If you have any questions about that, just give me a call or shoot me a text. So welcome to the primary bedroom. Okay, so plenty of windows. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. So welcome to the primary bath. Now this is good that they, if you're curious to know what the standard shower configuration is for your primary bath, this is it right here. Okay. So if you want to know what the upgraded walk-in shower option is, the upgraded one, I think it was upgraded for the Hawthorne. You had like the curbless walk-in shower. So you could compare this to the curbless one. Also too, if you want to add a tub, you could definitely do that too, but that is an upgrade. You could get the tub that's kind of an extension of the shower, or it's just separate tub. Nice dual sinks. So you have a toilet room right here. And then this is your walk-in closet. All right, guys, let me know what you think about the Bolton in the comments below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My info is going to be in the description below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.